Wow. So this is the leader. That's him. The leader of the entire commune out here. I forgot what he said. I mentioned it once before. Over 300 families he's responsible for within this area to manage. This, he owns it. This is his lotus field. Wow. Beautiful. Look at these lotus flowers. Just gorgeous. And then he pulled some lotus seed pods out for us. Let's see, I can show you one here. Let's see, I'll point the camera in the right direction. Yeah, see it right there in the center? And according to my wife, this is a new thing for me. Oh, there's a bunch of them out there. Pre-bloom lotus pod, lotus seed. You can eat them. And I guess I'll be trying something new. He's pulling some more for us. Carry the little basket on his back, pull them off, throw them in. And yeah, he said he had a big lotus field, but we didn't realize it was this big. And gorgeous. What a nice little thing to see out here, these lotus flowers. I love lotus flowers. I love that they have them out here. Now, in some areas of these lotus flower fields, as you can see, they're filled with water. There's a water pipe to keep it full, so that they can grow. And they have commonly big fucking fish inside. Yeah, he's eating some of this. I love this guy right here. You can see it's up to, he's not too tall, but it's up to his, about up to his, just a little past his knees. You get a lot of snakehead, you get a lot of catfish in here, tilapia. But you don't fuck with it, you just leave it alone. But if you wanted to, if there's an open spot, you can dip a line. And there's some kind of ancient, very old, excuse me, temple or something. I don't know what you want to call it right there. I think what it is a very important ancient burial site for probably somebody that at one time was very important in this area. So I believe that is a tomb. Pretty vast. So if you like lotus flowers, if you like looking at lotus flowers in the land of Vietnam, feast your eyes. You can see some of these are getting ready to bloom. They're all in various stages of blooming and growing. So here's a better look at the pod and how they grow. eventually turning into beautiful lotus flowers. You can see how the pod is still part of it, but how it generates forgive me, I don't know what they call it. I would know that bees would come here to get the pollen off of those little shoots that are growing out of it. Right off of a semi 2-lane road. But this here is an example of, he's got a little walkway out here, which my wife discovered. This is an example of what you get when you come out here into a natural Vietnamese environment, farming community environment. This is authentic. Everything I've shown you in Hoi An in terms of the people and their day-to-day existence is authentic, but the fact that it is surrounded by UNESCO World Heritage Site of Ancient Town, it's all tourism based. There is no tourism base out here. Do you want to see the base of this community? You've seen it. It's rice. This is a rice-based community. This is an authentic farming rural community. Everywhere you go out here, there are enormous fields of rice. So you will never, and I mean never, even 100 years from now, this will never be built up with homes and businesses and a community. It's going to remain a slow, pleasant environment where people live simply and people live calmly, and there's nothing crazy going on here. Just like being on a farm in America. I have no idea what that sign says, but the iconography of it is old school, basically showing the growth of a community, the growth of the people, the growth of socialism, people bonding together. Wow. Okay, that's it. I got to take pictures of the wife because she wants pictures by the Lotus Field. You never deny your beautiful, wonderful, awesome Vietnamese wife anything.